Welcome to Jurgen's Journeys. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello YouTubers. Hey, I've got a question for you today. Do you know how old your trailer tires are? I've been watching mine pretty close, and I took a look at them again this year before we head out on any camping trips with the trailer. Notice that these tires definitely need to be replaced. They started doing a little cracking around the edges. Now, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right here, there's a little bit of cracking going on. It's just the beginning of it. Now mind you, my trailer's never overloaded, and the tires stay out of the sun most of the year. But this is not good. These tires are old, and I know it because the date is right on the tire, right there. There's a DOT number, and this one is DOT number 4413. Now what that means is they were produced in the 44th week of the year 2013. First two numbers are the week, so 1 through 52. And the second two numbers are the year, so 2013. So I know these tires are past time to replace. You should probably replace them after 5 years, especially if it stays out in the sun all the time and if you've got a really heavy load on your trailer. This trailer's well under its maximum capacity, but still, I'm not going to risk a blowout on these old tires. And today is go buy some new tire day. So take a look at yours before you head out on your next trip. And if you're starting out new at camping, you might want to check out my video on how I prepare my trailer for camping. There's a link to it right up here, and you might want to check that out. But at any rate, be safe. May all your journeys be safe, and may God, the Lord Jesus Christ, bless you.